Hello and welcome. Let's learn physics through problem solving. This is Dhirendra Tiwari. So we have the problem at hand which says
power is equal to force times velocity. Okay, work done is force into displacement, right? Work divided by time is this, and then we can write this is m into a into s by t, and a we know what it is, m p by t, power relation. So displacement upon time, so this becomes s square and this becomes p cube. Then what they have asked is s is equal to p by m t to the power 3 by 2. It is something constant, okay? Power is constant, mass is constant, so we don't care about that. So S is proportional to P to the power 3 by 2.